Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your English class. I hope all of you are doing well. I hope all of you are staying at home and staying safe. Today we will be continuing with Once in a Village. Our topic for today is key details. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify key details from any story. Now there are some tricks in identifying key details, and I will be sharing it with you today. So without much delay, let's hop into the lesson. Now, every lesson has key details, okay? The key details are the important points in a lesson. Now, it is very important, okay, for us to know what is key details. It is difficult to remember the whole story. Now, if I tell you a story and I tell you to write it out, it'll be difficult for you to remember each and every point, but you would remember only the important points, right? So these important points are known as key details, okay? Key details answer the questions where, that is your setting, what, your problem, why, okay, how and when. So over here, key details always answer to these questions. So whenever you need to find key details, try to answer these questions and you should be able to find key details. Now the first one, where. Where did the story happen? Yes, you're absolutely right. The story happens in a village and the village is near a forest, okay? What happened to the people in the village? Once the people started growing, okay, the people in the village started increasing, right? So what happened? The people in the village started increasing. What happened after the trees were cut? So after the trees were cut, there was no rain, right? So the people in the village increased, and because of that, they started cutting down trees. Now what happened after the trees were cut? After the trees were cut, there was no rain, okay? How did the villagers feel when there was no rain? The villagers felt very sad. They got scared, right? They were scared that there would be a drought. What did everyone and everything do? So we know that all the living and non-living things, the villagers, the plants, the river, right? Everyone started praying and begging for rain, right? They prayed to God, okay? They prayed to the sky. That means they prayed to God and they asked, okay? They begged for rain. So what happened to the praise? The praise formed a silver cloud, okay? That means God heard their praise. Okay, there was a silver cloud and suddenly it started raining. After 5 years, it started raining. How did everyone feel? Obviously, they felt happy, right? They felt happy. Definitely after 5 years, if you get rain, you are definitely going to feel happy. So let's see how, okay, I have written the key details which I have answered over here, okay, and I have just written it here. So let's have a look, okay? So your first key detail is answers the question where, okay? So the story takes place in a village. Now why is this key detail important? It is important because it is the setting of the story, okay? The people in the village increased, so they started cutting down trees, okay? Over here, it's what? What did the people do? So over here, the people of the village increased, and that's what? And because of that, they started cutting down trees. Now, because they started cutting down trees, this becomes a problem. So it is the beginning of a problem, and that's why it is a key detail. Now, since they started cutting down trees, the effect was that there was no rain, okay? So the effect over here, okay, effect of cutting down trees becomes your key detail. Now once they cut down trees, okay, there was no rain. How did they feel? They felt sad, okay? They begged and prayed for rain. So over here we come to know how they felt, okay, when there was no rain, and that is why it is a key detail. Over here, once there was no rain, what did they do? So we know that all the living and non-living things, they prayed and they begged for rain. Okay, so when they prayed and they begged, this is how the problem was solved. Okay, it started raining, everyone was happy, everything was happy. Okay, and this becomes the ending of your story. So over here you find that I've given you all the key details, and I've also given you why they are a key detail. Remember, these key details correlate with this. Okay, they answer these questions. Okay, all these questions which I have here, the answers I've given you in this slide. Okay, and I've even told you why they are a key detail. This is related to your S2. Okay, now your last question. What do you think could be the moral of the story? What do we learn? Once we read the story, what do we learn? Yes, you're absolutely right. We learn that we should not cut down trees, right? So the moral of the story is that we should not cut down trees, okay? So I hope you understood today's topic. It's not very complicated if you remember to answer those questions which I have mentioned or which I have told you. In case you have any doubts, feel free to give me a message or feel free to call me. Your homework will be S2 for today. So that's all for today. Stay happy and stay safe. Do not go out. Okay, we need to be safe, and happy learning. Bye bye.